I almost walked into the wrong classroom on my first day. This was the most nervous college conversation ever.
Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Today's lesson, a nervous first day at college conversation. Let's begin.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
Do you know where room 214 is?
Second floor, left side hallway.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, are you new here?
Is it that obvious?
A little. You look completely lost.
That's because I am completely lost.
First day?
Yeah, first day at college.
Nice. Nervous?
Extremely nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone feels awkward on the first day.
Really?
Absolutely.
Honestly, I almost walked into the wrong classroom earlier.
That happens more often than you think.
Good, because I already feel embarrassed enough.
What's your major?
Business management.
Oh, nice. I'm studying marketing.
That sounds interesting. So, where are you from? A small town outside the city. Big change for you then? Huge change. Everything here feels fast. College usually feels like that at first. People already seem confident and comfortable. Trust me, most of them are nervous too.
It doesn't look like it.
Everyone hides it differently.
Honestly, I was worried about speaking English confidently here too.
Why?
I thought maybe I'd sound awkward.
You sound completely normal.
Really?
Yeah,
I think I overthink conversations too much.
a lot of people do that in new environments.
This morning, I practiced introducing myself like 10 times.
Okay, that's actually adorable.
Please don't laugh.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing because it's relatable.
You know what's weird?
What?
I was super nervous walking here alone, but now I feel calmer talking to you.
That's because conversations help break the fear.
Yeah, I think staying silent made things worse in my head.
Exactly. So what are you most nervous about?
Making friends, probably.
That's normal.
I'm not great at starting conversations.
Well, technically you already started one.
Oh, wow. You're right.
See? You're doing better than you think.
Honestly, I thought college would instantly feel exciting.
And now?
Right now, it mostly feels overwhelming.
Give it time. The first week is always the hardest.
I hope so.
Don't worry. You'll adjust faster than you think.
I really hope you're right.
What class are you heading to right now?
Introduction to business.
Oh, wow. I had that class last year.
Really? Is the professor strict?
Kind of.
That answer scared me immediately.
Don't worry. He looks serious, but he's actually nice.
Okay, that helps a little. Honestly, I still feel like I'm gonna walk into the wrong room somehow.
That's part of the college experience.
They start walking upstairs together. There are so many students here.
Yeah, mornings are always crowded.
I suddenly miss my quiet hometown.
That feeling disappears eventually.
I hope so.
Trust me, after a few weeks, you'll know this campus better than your own neighborhood.
That sounds impossible right now.
You'll be surprised how quickly people adapt.
Can I ask something honestly?
Sure.
Do I look nervous?
A little.
Wow, thanks for the honesty.
But nervous isn't a bad thing.
It feels bad.
Only because you care about making a good impression.
I guess that's true.
You know what helped me on my first day?
What?
Realizing nobody is paying as much attention to me as I thought.
Wait, what do you mean?
When people feel nervous, they think everyone is judging them.
Yes, exactly.
But most students are busy worrying about themselves.
Honestly, that makes me feel better.
Good. They reach the classroom door.
I think this is my class.
Yep, room 214.
Okay, now I'm nervous again.
That's normal before entering the classroom.
You make everything sound normal.
Because most of these fears are normal.
I think my biggest problem is overthinking every little thing.
Like what?
Like, what if I say something awkward? What if nobody talks to me?
Liam,
Yeah?
take a breath.
Okay,
You're not the only nervous person here.
probably true. Another student accidentally bumps into Liam. Oh, sorry, man. No problem.
See? You survived social interaction.
Barely.
Honestly, though, your English sounds natural.
Really?
Yeah, you communicate clearly.
I practiced English conversations a lot before coming here.
That explains it.
But real conversations still feel harder.
That's because real life is unpredictable.
Exactly.
But every conversation builds confidence.
I think I'm starting to understand that now. The classroom door opens. Good morning, everyone. Please come inside. Okay, this is happening.
He'll do fine.
Thanks. Seriously.
No problem.
You know, 10 minutes ago, I felt completely alone here.
And now?
Now college feels a little less scary.
That's a good start.
Wow, there are way more students than I expected.
Yeah, first-year classes are always packed.
I suddenly feel nervous all over again.
That feeling will calm down after a few minutes.
I hope so. Please introduce yourselves to the person sitting next to you. Oh no,
Relax.
this is literally my worst fear.
Talking to people?
Talking to new people.
You already did that successfully today.
That's actually true.
Hey, I'm Daniel.
Hi, I'm Liam.
First day?
Is it that obvious?
A little.
Wow, everyone can tell immediately.
Because we've all been there.
Where are you from?
Small town outside the city.
Nice. I moved here recently too.
Trust me, most people here are nervous.
Honestly, today taught me something important. If you keep avoiding uncomfortable situations, you never grow.
That's a strong lesson for the first day.
At first, I thought confidence meant not feeling nervous.
And now?
Now, I think confidence means doing things even while nervous.
Exactly.
And honestly, talking with real people helped my English way more than practicing alone.
Because real conversations build real fluency.
Your English sounds good, by the way. Really? Yeah, you sound natural.
See? You are worrying too much.
All right, everyone, let's begin class. Okay, this officially feels real now.
Welcome to college life.
Honestly, this morning started with stress and fear.
And now?
Now it feels exciting instead.
Confidence comes by taking action.
Take action. Like this video, subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab, and practice every day.
Keep listening, keep speaking, keep improving.
Today started with fear, but it ended with growth. And your English journey can too.